Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable smart lock on Android device security step by step clearly. Unlock your Android phone and make sure you are on the home screen. Open the Settings app from your app drawer or quick settings gear icon. Scroll down and tap Security or Security and Privacy depending on your device. If you see Privacy first, tap it and then enter the Security section. Tap Device Lock, Screen Lock, or Lock Screen to access lock options. Confirm that you already have a screen lock set, such as PIN, pattern, or password. If no screen lock is set, create one now because Smart Lock requires it. Go back one level to the main security or lock screen menu. Find and tap Smart Lock, Extended Unlock, or more security settings on some phones. Enter your PIN, pattern, or password when Android asks for verification. On the Smart Lock screen, review the available options like on-body detection, Trusted Places, and Trusted Devices. Tap Trusted Devices to keep your phone unlocked when connected to a specific Bluetooth device. Tap Add Trusted Device and select your Bluetooth accessory from the list. Pair the accessory if needed, and allow Bluetooth permissions when prompted. Confirm the device selection, and make sure the accessory stays connected for the feature to work. Go back to Smart Lock and tap Trusted Places to keep your phone unlocked at a specific location. Tap Add Trusted Place and choose Home or create a custom place name. Allow location access if prompted, because Smart Lock needs location services. Select the location on the map and adjust the area if your device allows it. Tap Save to store the trusted place and return to Smart Lock settings. Tap on Body Detection if you want the phone to stay unlocked while you are carrying it. Turn on body detection on, and read the note that it can still lock after inactivity. Go back and check that Smart Lock toggles or options are enabled as you want. Open the Quick Settings panel and ensure Bluetooth and location are turned on when lock your phone with the power button to test the Smart Lock behavior. Try unlocking once with your PIN, then confirm it stays unlocked in your trusted condition. If it does not work, remove and re-add the trusted device or place and reboot the phone. For best security, avoid using Smart Lock in public environments and keep your screen lock strong. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.